Hi guys, today we are going to make a tasty strawberry pudding. It is so tasty and we can make it with a simple ingredients. So let's see how to make it. First I'm gonna heat the pan and pouring 200 milliliter of milk. Then I'm taking china grass. It is also known as agar agar. I am putting 20 grams of china grass. Let the milk boil. Then I'm taking condensed milk. It is about 50 grams. We're gonna mix it well and let it boil. Now it is boiled. Pour it in the neat container. Decorate it with strawberries and nuts. It is optional. Then we are going to close the lid and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Then we can take it and have it. Thank you. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe.